Okay, so this is volunteer science. Like the project that Anna was showing us, it is a platform that they've got going that they're interested in hosting other people's experiments as well. That's actually about what I know about it. Do you know more?
Volunteer Science is a project out of Northeastern University. They originally created the system for running their own experiments. And why don't we just go and look at some of the ones that they have available, so maybe participate. Go to play games. They started small. That lab, they run all sorts of experiments, everything from things like political surveys to network-based experiments where you bring people into an online lab and have them play some multiplayer games. Like with many of the platforms that people create, they start small for an individual lab, and then they realize, oh, our collaborators can use this. Oh, other people that we're working with can also use these. And it expands from there to the point where now volunteer science is many things. It is this website, so that as a volunteer, you can go and do volunteer science games or studies. But also, it's a platform for creating volunteer science sites. The standard version is you put up a particular experiment on the volunteer science page, but they also have this functionality where you can create what's called a section page, which is your particular organization can create its own subsection of volunteer science where all of just your particular studies show up there. They have a bunch of like data management tools and other kinds of most of the recruitment happens through either through like organic channels, or you can do recruitment through Mechanical Turk, and they have some infrastructure for doing a little bit of the like participant management. Oh, great. Different features. I guess they think of themselves as like competing against status must be them, Qualtrics and MTurk, although actually I think that their nearest neighbors are actually some of the other platforms that you've heard presented today. MTurk doesn't have Mechanical Turk. I also think this is an interesting example of. I don't know.
Could ask him about that.
Okay. I mean, any questions?